Hello guys, Tyler here, and today I'm gonna play Five Nights at Freddy's. Okay, let's get started. He looks like a molester. Okay, 12 a.m., first night.
The characters do tend to wander a bit. They're left in some kind of free roaming mode at night.
What do you mean?
Something about their servos locking up if they get turned off for too long.
What do you mean?
They used to be allowed to walk around during the day too, but then there was the bite of 87.
What do you mean?
It's amazing that the human body can live without the frontal lobe. You
Okay.
know? Now, concerning your safety, the only real risk to you as a night watchman here, if any, is the fact that these characters, if they happen to see you after hours, probably won't recognize you as a person. They'll most likely see you as a metal endoskeleton without its costume on.
Okay.
Now, since that's against the rules here at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, they'll probably try to forcefully stuff you inside a Freddy Fazbear suit.
Okay.
Now, that wouldn't be so
Wait,
bad.
is that murdering?
Especially around the facial area. So you can
Facial?
imagine having your head forcefully pressed inside one of those could cause a bit of discomfort.
Okay, I'm gonna name you Sally, Jake, and Tom.
When you sign up. But hey, first station of the breeze. I'll chat with you tomorrow.
Oh! Hey! What do I do? Oh crap, where did Jake go? Jake! Jake! Is that you, Jake? Oh, Jake, you're not there. Where did Jake go? Jake? Oh, Jake, is this you right here? Wait. Yeah, where did you go, Jake? Oh, Jake? Oh, Jake! Jake! Calm down, Jake. You don't need to take midnight selfies or anything. Okay, Jake. Okay. Our kids are good. Better stay here, Sally and Tom. Jake, why are you staying? Jake, you're still right there. Sally, where did you go, Sally? No playing games anymore. Sally! Oh my god. Wait. What is this? Where's Shadow? Ah! Okay, Tom, you're good enough to stay there. What happened to the electricity? What happened to the electricity? Hey! Hey, Pedal Bear, how you doing? Hey! You wanna be friends? Okay. Oh god. I think my game just lagged. Oh wait. Ah! Oh my god! My god. I can't take this anymore. I'll end the video off here, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll try to take this again. So, see you later, guys.